Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Apple Store pickup or in-store reservation. So let's just get straight into the video. Let's just say I want to order this iPhone 17 Pro Max. I'm going to simply go ahead and select the Pro Max version right over here. And then I can select, so for example, 1 TB version if I want to. And now all I need to do is simply go ahead and click on the pickup option instead of the delivery. Wait. And once I go ahead and click on the pickup button, then it is going to be all set up for pickup. If you still haven't figured it out, then you can simply click on chat with an iPhone specialist, and then you can simply go ahead and talk to them and then tell them to reserve for you. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.